Here's the piece I just cut out of the wall. This is the sill plate. It's the first board that sits on top of the concrete block. Just cut inside there, and I'm very excited to see that I got to solid wood. There's a little bit of damage on the front, but not enough that won't support the house. This is the piece, the last piece I just cut out, and lots of termite damage, lots of rot. There's rot, there's termite tracks all throughout. Maybe it's rot, I don't know. Either way, it's damaged, and I'm not finding any bugs. So no bugs is good, damage is bad. So I'm gonna finish removing the damage. I'm into solid wood here, and I'm gonna go that way and do the rest, but I'm gonna continue cutting up to here, across, and then all the way across to the other side and down, so that I can replace all this damaged board.